Hello everybody, Dr. Ayman Shriha is my name. I came from Tripoli, Libya. I work there as a specialist anesthesia in surgical ICU. I started my journey in pain management for 8 months. I did a lot of courses in pain, and I heard about IPSC from website, from internet, and from friends from me. They were here. I came here to learn. I had a lot of fear before to start pain management. Now, after spending here 2 weeks, I have a lot of confidence to start my clinical my practice in pain, because I learned a lot of things here, a lot of tricks, a lot of knowledge from here, Bankash, from his faculty. I enjoyed my stay here. The Dr. Bankash and his faculty, they were friendly, and they were very knowledgeable. They bring me a lot a lot of steps forward towards the pain management. I will thank them all without exception for their hospitality, for their um, uh, for this journey. Thank you very much.